This Jeep is damaged everywhere, but it can be rebuilt from the base.
The rust has weakened the body, and we need full repair.
First, we clean everything properly. Now we can clearly see the damage. We start by removing the outer parts. We strip it down to the frame.
The engine needs separate rebuilding.
Damaged metal must be removed completely. Fresh metal restores strength. We smooth the surface before paint.
Primer prepares the surface.
Now it gets its new identity.
The power returns to the Jeep. All four wheels are secured properly. Now the Jeep is stable and ready for movement.